Today I'm super excited to share some of the most amazing kitchen gadgets you can get from Temu. These gadgets aren't just cool, they're incredibly useful and can save you a ton of time while cooking, prepping, or even just organizing your kitchen. This list has something for everyone, so let's jump right in and see what these kitchen wonders can do. Let's start with the automatic vegetable chopper. This gadget is a total game changer if you hate chopping vegetables by hand. Just place your onions, tomatoes, or peppers inside, press down, and voila! Perfectly diced veggies in seconds. No more tears from chopping onions, and cleanup is super easy too. It comes with multiple blades, so you can dice, mince, or even make small chunks for stews. If you love cooking but hate the prep work, this is one gadget you'll wonder how you ever lived without. Before moving to our next gadget, please subscribe to our channel, it really helps. Next up is the digital kitchen scale. If you enjoy baking or following precise recipes, this little gadget is a must-have. It's compact, lightweight, and extremely accurate, so you can measure flour, sugar, or any ingredient down to the gram. The tare function allows you to subtract the weight of your bowl, which means fewer dishes to wash. It's perfect for portion control too, especially if you're trying to eat healthy or track macros. This simple gadget can actually make a huge difference in your cooking. Gadget 3, Multifunctional Garlic Press. Moving on, we have the Multifunctional Garlic Press. Anyone who cooks regularly knows how messy garlic can get, and this gadget makes it effortless. You can crush, slice, or mince garlic without getting sticky hands, and the ergonomic handle makes it easy to press even large cloves. Some models even work for ginger, which is a huge bonus. Using this gadget saves time and keeps your kitchen clean, making it one of those tools you never knew you needed until you try it. Gadget 4, Collapsible Silicone Funnel. The collapsible silicone funnel is another super useful gadget. It's perfect for transferring liquids or powders into bottles without any spills. And because it's collapsible, it doesn't take up much space in your kitchen drawers. You can use it for sauces, oils, or even homemade juices. It's flexible, easy to clean, and honestly a little fun to use as you fold and unfold it. A small gadget, but surprisingly handy in daily kitchen tasks. Gadget 5, Smart Oil Dispenser. If you're conscious about how much oil you're using, the Smart Oil Dispenser is a must. This gadget allows you to control the amount of oil while cooking, which is perfect for healthy meals. Some models come with a spray function for even coverage, keeping your pans clean and your food light. It's simple to use and adds a little touch of professionalism to your cooking, making you feel like a chef in your own kitchen. Gadget 6, Adjustable Rolling Pin. Baking fans will love the adjustable rolling pin. Rolling dough to the perfect thickness is always a challenge, but this gadget solves that problem. With adjustable rings on the sides, you can control exactly how thick or thin your dough is. It works beautifully for cookies, pizza, pies, and more. Pair it with a silicone baking mat and cleanup becomes a breeze. This is one gadget that really elevates your baking game without any extra effort. Gadget 7, Hands-Free Bag Holder. Another small but super practical gadget is the hands-free bag holder. If you've ever struggled to hold open a grocery bag while pouring contents, this gadget is your solution. It holds the bag upright and open so you can pour in ingredients without making a mess. It's simple, clever, and makes kitchen prep a lot less frustrating. Bonus, you can even use it for snack bags during movie nights. It's that versatile. Gadget 8, Microwave Egg Boiler. The microwave egg boiler, or poacher, is perfect for anyone who loves eggs but hates waiting. It cooks eggs in minutes, whether you like them soft-boiled, hard-boiled, or poached. No need to watch the stove, and cleanup is minimal. It's safe, mess-free, and a real time saver for busy mornings. Imagine having perfectly cooked eggs ready in under 5 minutes. You'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Gadget 9, Compact Herb Scissors. If you love cooking with fresh herbs, compact herb scissors are an absolute must. With multiple blades, these scissors allow you to snip herbs finely in seconds, saving time and keeping your hands clean. Perfect for parsley, basil, cilantro, or any small herb, these scissors make topping dishes or salads quick and easy. It's a small tool, but it adds a lot of convenience and even a little fun to your cooking routine. Gadget 10, Veggie Noodles Maker. Manual Spiralizer is an awesome gadget for anyone trying to eat healthier. You can turn zucchini, potatoes, or carrots into noodles in just a few seconds. It's compact, easy to use, and perfect for making fun, healthy meals for yourself or your kids. If you're tired of plain vegetables, this gadget transforms them into something exciting and Instagram-worthy, making meal prep enjoyable instead of boring. Gadget 11, Electric Can Opener. This gadget is a total lifesaver if you hate struggling with tin cans. Just place the can under the blade, press a button, and it opens automatically. Simple, fast, and super satisfying. Gadget 12, Touchless Soap Dispenser. Keep your hands clean while cooking with a touchless soap dispenser. No more sticky bottles or spreading germs while chopping. Just wave your hand and it dispenses soap perfectly. Gadget 13, Clip-on Sink Strainer Basket. This little gadget makes washing and draining veggies effortless. Clip it onto your sink and it holds everything in place while water drains out. Super handy and keeps your sink organized. Gadget 14, Mini Food Processor. Chop, blend, or puree small quantities of food in seconds with a mini food processor. Packed, portable, and perfect for sauces or baby food. Gadget 15, Adjustable Egg Timer. This isn't your ordinary egg timer. It lets you set different times for soft, medium, or hard-boiled eggs, so you always get the perfect egg without guessing. Gadget 16, Oil and Vinegar Sprayer Bottle. Spray oil or vinegar evenly over salads or pans. It's precise, mess-free, and makes your dishes look and taste professional. Gadget 17, Silicone Baking Mat. Say goodbye to parchment paper. This reusable silicone baking mat makes baking easy, prevents sticking, and cleans in seconds. Plus, it's eco-friendly. Gadget 18, Magnetic Knife Holder. Keep your knives safe, accessible, and organized with a magnetic holder. No more rummaging through drawers or worrying about cutting yourself. Gadget 19, Digital Meat Thermometer. Cook meat perfectly every time. Just stick the probe in your meat and get an instant reading to avoid overcooking or undercooking. Gadget 20, Adjustable Pan Divider. Perfect for cooking multiple foods in one pan without mixing flavors. Adjustable, easy to clean, and a huge time saver for breakfast or meal prep. Gadget 21, Self-Stirring Smart Mug. Forget the spoon. This mug automatically stirs your coffee, tea, or protein shake with a single button. Its built-in motor keeps your drink evenly mixed and frothy till the last sip. Perfect for lazy mornings or busy work days. Plus, it's USB rechargeable, so you can take it anywhere, from desk to travel. Gadget 22, Automatic Pan Stirrer. Multitasking just got real. Clip this gadget inside your pot and let it stir sauces, soups, or curries automatically while you prep something else. With its adjustable timer, it ensures your food never burns, like having a mini robot chef in the kitchen. Just set it, forget it, and enjoy perfectly stirred dishes. Gadget 23, Voice-Controlled Smart Coffee Maker. Just say, "Brew my coffee," and this gadget gets to work. It connects with Alexa or Google Home, letting you schedule brews, customize strength, and even preheat your cup. It's like having your personal barista ready every morning, minus the cafe line. Gadget 24, Digital Measuring Cup Scale. No more guesswork in baking. This gadget combines a measuring cup and digital scale in one, showing weight and volume instantly on its LCD display. From flour to liquids, every recipe becomes precision perfect. Ideal for anyone who loves accuracy and hates messy conversions. Gadget 25, Mini Food Vacuum Sealer. Keep your leftovers fresh for days. This compact vacuum sealer removes air from storage bags with a single tap, locking in flavor and reducing waste. Perfect for meal preppers or anyone who hates soggy food. It's lightweight, portable, and a total game changer for food storage. Gadget 26, Touchless Smart Trash Can. Wave your hand and it opens automatically. Hygienic, sleek, and surprisingly satisfying, this motion sensor trash can makes kitchen cleanup effortless. Its silent lid and odor locking system keep your kitchen fresh and futuristic. Gadget 27, Smart Cutting Board with Digital Display. This isn't your regular chopping board. It comes with built-in scales, timers, and even a display that tracks calories while you prep food. Waterproof and USB rechargeable. It's like a fitness tracker for your meals. A true blend of health, hygiene, and technology. Gadget 28, Retractable Under Cabinet Lights. Illuminate your cooking area with motion-sensing LED lights that automatically turn on when you walk in. Sleek, rechargeable, and adjustable, they make your kitchen look straight out of a sci-fi movie. Plus, they save energy and add a cozy glow to late-night snacks. Gadget 29, Smart Fridge Organizer Set. Keep your fridge spotless and efficient with these sensor-based containers that track freshness and expiration dates via a connected app. No more, "Is this still good?" was moments again. It's the perfect upgrade for anyone who loves organization with a touch of tech. Gadget 30, Automatic Water Bottle Filler. This gadget senses when your bottle is empty and fills it up automatically. No spills, no waste. Adjustable volume settings and touchless operation make hydration feel high-tech and hassle-free. It's like having your own smart water station at home. And that's a wrap on 30 super useful and super cool kitchen gadgets from Temu. Whether you're a beginner cook or a seasoned chef, these tools will definitely make your kitchen life easier and more fun. Which gadget are you excited to try first? Drop your favorite in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing gadget ideas and tips. Your next kitchen upgrade is just a click away.